Good news, aspiring cadets! The Philippine Coast Guard is now officially calling for applicants to join the prestigious U.S. Coast Guard Academy Class 2030. Now, ang pinakamalaking tanong ay, pwede ba ang Filipino? Definitely, yes. I'll be posting the complete process and the requirements. But before that, don't forget to share, like, and follow our page para updated ka. Now, here is the exciting part. Successful applicants will enjoy the full financial support, which means tuition fees covered, monthly payment and allowances, free accommodation and transportation costs, and government benefits. So aspiring cadets, this could be the beginning of your journey to achieving your dreams to becoming a cadet. The U.S. Coast Guard Academy Class 2030 is waiting for you. Here is the complete process of application and the requirements.